the warmth left in my heart is certainly leaving me. By tomorrow's morning light, will I act so differently? If our hearts within us beat with synchronicity, I know that I surely will fall to where you'll always be. Forever, forever, it is here I will stay. No matter, no matter if you leave forever and your heart melts away. You're shrouded in the darkness, but like a bird you fly towards happiness, and we embrace our wings so innocently. I just want you to come back to me. Every time you're feeling lonely, you smile even though you just want to weep, not knowing that I see through you perfectly. Why can't you share your feelings with me? But I'll still love you.